In our good friend, Fox 6 Milwaukee meteorologist Tom Wachs. Is good to talk to you. Back-to-back nights. Tom, how does it look today versus when we talked to you yesterday?
Yeah, so things have improved a little bit. We are here in the Milwaukee area, and things have improved a little bit today over yesterday. It's still very smoky. I actually happen to have a portable air quality meter here with me, and I can tell you, and you've been talking about the different air quality levels, PM 2.5 is what we look at, particulate matter 2.5, and anything over 100 is considered to be unhealthy, currently sitting at about 173. Now, by comparison, we were well into the 200s yesterday. And the lake, we're right by Lake Michigan, and I think the wind off the lake has helped us a little bit closer to the lake today. But here's the deal. You showed that map just a minute ago where the purples are just off to our west there, the really unhealthy air, and that thick smoke is working its way in from the west. So it's actually going to get worse before it gets better here tomorrow and into Friday.
That's what I want to ask you about. I mean, when you got a holiday weekend like this, so many people are excited to get outside to celebrate. The smoke is lingering into tomorrow. When do you think that it will kind of clear up for the Milwaukee area?
Sure, that's a great question. And of course, that's the million-dollar question, right? It looks like it's going to gradually improve as we go throughout the day tomorrow. We have an air quality alert until noon here tomorrow, so it will gradually get better throughout the day. Then I think by Friday, we're really going to notice a difference around here. But Steve, as you said, it's all about that wind direction, just blowing that smoke in. So we're hoping for improved conditions later on this week.
Yeah, right. The wind really drives this type of event, the air quality. But there is another way we can clear it, and that is with some storms pushing through. You may be seeing some rain. How will that impact your region?
Sure. So that's the other thing that we're watching is the chance for thunderstorms, which we are still in a drought around here. We need some rain, and we're watching Minneapolis up towards northwest Wisconsin later on this evening because there may be a line of thunderstorms that develops and then pushes in to southeastern Wisconsin in the Milwaukee area during the overnight hours. That would be round one, with round two potentially coming in late tomorrow afternoon. So at least we have some rain back in the forecast, although we also have some severe thunderstorm chances, and the humidity, Steve, I'm telling you, we have dew points in the upper 60s on the way for tomorrow. So we get rid of the wildfire smoke, but then we just bring in that humidity.
Oh, muggy feeling all the way up into the Great Lakes. Tom, I want to ask you, yesterday when we talked, because of how bad the air quality was, events were canceled. For you and your family, how do you celebrate 4th of July? What are some big, events that are going to be happening this weekend potentially to celebrate?
Sure. So there's a lot going on around here, Steve. We have a festival called Summerfest, one of the world's largest outdoor music festivals. Takes place in downtown Milwaukee. We have dedicated fairgrounds, concerts galore. It's just a wonderful time right on the shores of Lake Michigan. That's going on. We have a huge fireworks display coming up on July 3rd. So that's going to be Monday night. So there's a lot going on around here for the weekend, the holiday weekend. And you know what that means? The pressure's on us meteorologists, right? And so far for July 4th, the weather's looking good. So I think we're going to be good for this one, Steve.
That is a good sign, because I know when you get out to those events, a lot of people are going to be coming up to you and being like, Tom, thank you for clearing up the weather.
What's
Hopefully
going on?
That's what they're saying, right? Hopefully they're shaking your hand. They're saying, good job, Tom. Way to get that out of our area just in time. Fox 6 Milwaukee meteorologist Tom Wachs, thank you for joining us here on Fox Weather.